Hello everyone! We both are back with the fourth episode of Hashtime with BFF. And for many, this lockdown period has given us more time on our hands that we have ever had. Time which we never thought we would have.
And this free time presents us with opportunities to do things which we have always wanted to do or like to do more. So in this episode, we would be talking about few things in common which everyone can adapt during this lockdown time.
So guys, let's begin with the first thing which we would like to share in this episode, that is read the book that you have ever been putting off. I like nothing more than immersing myself in a book, concentrating fully on the book, its characters and its storyline without any distractions.
And we have that opportunity now, and there is no excuse as you all can buy books from Amazon. And if you prefer audio, there are multiple apps like Storytel. Audiobooks might be the best choice for you all.
And the next thing is keep a blog or a journal. Keeping track of your thoughts, activities, and learnings is always a good idea and a highly productive one.
And it is a best feeling to look back at this time, process your memories, or even process your thoughts for the day or the week that has passed. Most of them would have a dear diary. You would write what happened in a day or what you would like to do in a day before you go to bed, right? And when you look back at those memories in the diary, it feels so good. So if any one of you have not done this, please start during this lockdown time, and it feels good.
And the third thing we would like to share in this episode is learn a new skill, guys. Building up your qualifications by enrolling in courses and also can be accompanied by learning new things. Guys, we have done this and there are a lot of applications which are available online, and we would like to name few which are really helpful, such as Udemy, Coursera, Upgrade, which gives easy access to the courses and also are affordable.
And guys, there are courses which are related to your profession or your personal interest. If you are interested in photography or graphic designing, or maybe as simple as drawing. So all these courses are available in these apps, and this is the right time for you to check out these applications and start doing what you really want to do. And enrolling on these courses and successfully passing these tests will build up your knowledge base as well as your CV. Having an additional weightage for a resume is always good, right?
And also, this time could be helpful in learning the rules of a game like a chess, carom, or even helping your mom in cooking.
And be a supportive hand for your father during this crisis, guys.
And moving on to the next one, guys, set up a workout routine. How long have you all been looking to begin this activity, right? If you work out regularly, you will know that the key to a success and a consistent workout.
You actually don't need such equipment. If you follow some of the workout videos available on YouTube, that would be good for a basic beginner to do it. So for inspiration, you can check out the Cult app where trainers will do the live sessions, and also you can check out the YouTube channels like Chloe Ting, Logilates, Runway, the Beer Biceps one, and many more.
And the next one is keep in touch with family, friends, and your past colleagues. I know we are kind of isolated from the people we usually spend time, but we can be connected with them more than ever before. Make time to catch up and have a video call with your friends and family.
And use the time to speak to relatives that you might have not spoken to in a while. It's very good to sit with family, just look back to the photo album of family members, hearing all the stories about the great grandparents who lived through wars and as well as this pandemics. It's very good to know from where you have come, what your ancestors, what your grandparents have gone through their life.
I also feel that reconnecting with past colleagues is a great idea.
You would spend a lot of time with these people in previous roles and might have grown apart as you move on in your career, right? So this is the right time to get back to your past colleagues and just have a talk, refresh those memories, guys.
Yes, and also like guys, we all have this hidden talent or the talent which we have from childhood, which we wouldn't be able to grow it, right? So this is the time to get artistic. Art and crafts is like a great way to express yourself, learn a new skill, and you see ordinary things in a whole new way and channel your creativity.
And the next one is experiment on social media, guys. And it's okay, you can be the best or the worst, but it's always good to experiment on social media. You use Facebook to connect with your friends and family, and also use LinkedIn for your professional life, right? You also might use Twitter, Instagram occasionally.
That's absolutely right, because social media is one platform which most of them are using in these times, guys. But it's okay, we can make these platforms more productive. You can do much more and experiment with these platforms available. As we both did, we started this podcast and YouTube, which is worthy and experimental for us. You can showcase your hobby on social media where you get more feedback, and this is the right time to do.
Yes, and I would like to add one point to this. So, guys, everyone would have that kind of a small dream where you need to do something in your life, right? Maybe, for example, start a YouTube channel or have a clothing line, but you don't know how to do, and just knowing or seeing that goal, sometimes it's horrifying, right? Like, how can you reach to that place? So, you can start having tiny steps one after the other. You can, in case if you want to do a YouTube channel, so you can have what are the episodes that you would like to do. You can make a list of it, so step by step, if you take it, it would be very successful, guys. So this is the right time for you people to just make a list how you can proceed, have thoughts about it, and definitely it will work out. And if you're a student, you can create a comfortable space for studying. It's advisable to create a study environment where you would want to spend time, so it feels less forced for you all.
And if you're a housewife or a working mom or a parent, hats off to you guys. We would appreciate you all for taking care of your family, cooking delicious food for your children on time to time basis. Do your regular routine and be supportive for your entire family. It is hard for you people to manage everything in a day during this pandemic.
Managing the household work and professional life from home, guys, which is not easy.
And guys, all these which we have mentioned in this episode is not like very necessary to do. It is completely okay to rest yourself when you feel pressurized or tired. Doing nothing for a day doesn't make us less productive. Take care of yourself and your mental health, which is most important at these times. So this is about the things which we both did in these lockdown times, guys, and these things have been very helpful for us, and we have learned a lot more things than we were before the lockdown. So I hope these things could be helpful for you people as well to start off something new. Thank you for staying with us till the end of this episode, and if you would like to write back to us, you can do that on any social media platforms. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, #with BFF.